Hey guys, welcome back to How To Tuesday. If you missed a previous episode of How To Tuesday, click the link above. But this episode's all about the Toyota Crown Signia, an all-new hybrid SUV that comes equipped with a hands-free kick-to-open power liftgate. And I'm going to show you how to activate the feature, or you're going to be back there kicking away like a crazy person, and it's not going to work for you. And stay tuned, I have to show you where to kick, or the feature's not going to work for you. But first things first, you have to activate it, and you do that by going through your digital driver cluster. So use the buttons located on the right hand side in order to use your digital driver cluster. So first, hold OK. When the little arrows here can go up and down, click on the settings until it changes. There you go. Now, in this area, you could also customize your driver assist technology, but use the arrows and you keep scrolling until you reach vehicle settings. Then hold, then through there, again, keep scrolling until you actually see the icon that says PBD. Then click it, and in there, you have to activate the feature. Okay, so everything's purple for me because that's the ambient lighting I chose. It says hands-free. Again, it's lit up purple. And then you could also adjust the volume of it as well too, so you can definitely hear the hands-free kick to open power liftgate when it's opening. So now I'm going to show you where to kick because the feature is activated. So I've shown you how to activate your hands-free kick-to-open power liftgate on your Toyota Crown Signia, but you also have to make sure that the key fob is located in your pocket, purse, or hand. Now I'm going to show you where to kick. So don't kick over here on the left-hand side. It's not going to work for you. Don't kick down the center. It's not going to work for you. You have to kick on the right-hand side. And sometimes, third time's a charm. Like that. Voila, and it will work, trust me. Guys, do me a favor and check out my full review of the 2025 Toyota Crown Signia next, and thanks for watching.